Hi, hello everyone. Good evening. This is your Ameer sir, Master Teacher of Physics at Vedantu. Now, everyone tell me how are you all doing, how your day was, what all you did, okay? And let me know. I'm also gonna be looking into it, and if there is something, yes, which I can take from you, all to make my day also awesome, I'm gonna do that. Yes, I'm from Kerala and Sab. Yes, hi Kaushika. Okay, I'm really sorry because I had to shift the time from 6 o'clock to the 7:30 because I was traveling from Bangalore to Kerala to my hometown back from office. So I'm really sorry for that. I hope you all will be adjusting with the timings, right? Yes. So thank you so much for this. If you all give me a thumbs up and tell me that yes, it is totally fine, sir. Fine, good. Happy to know that, Kaushika. Niti, hi. So I hope everyone is doing good, just like as Kaushika already told me. Right? Hi, Priyanshu. Hi, Priyanshu. So we have so many in the classroom here. I'm so happy. Maybe because here we are with the Rapid Sprint 2.0 and we got an amazing topic to discuss for the day, which is none other than reflection and refraction, which is a part of the chapter Ray Optics from NCERT. So this is a short question, right? Which means whatever questions we have grabbed, there is a maximum probability of these coming for JEE, or some of the questions are taken in such a way that you can actually go through the theory of this particular chapter. Which means before starting with each and every question, right, I'm going to explain all the theory related to it. So I think you all are going to be with me till the end of the session so that we can learn reflection and refraction, and let's crack JEE and let's get maximum, which means from ray optics 1 to 2 questions is coming, right? Okay, in the past years, which means 8 marks is something which you can easily grab if you're going to spend some half an hour to 45 minutes with me. Okay, Kaushika, everyone, Priyanshu, Niti, everyone, are you all ready for that? Okay. Now, what I want to tell you is there any new students in the classroom? Is there any new students in the classroom? What I want every one of you to do is, let me tell you this, the classes are amazing here, lot many sessions happen, lot many live sessions happens, right? We discuss maximum things from physics so that you can crack the upcoming JEE and board exam. What you all want to do is, right, just move your cursor now itself, click on that red subscribe button so that you will be getting all the videos that is getting uploaded from this particular channel of Momentum with Vedantu. Yes, who we have new in the, yes, Nitu, right? Yes, Nitu. Hi, hello Nitu. Yes, I'm doing good. I'm fine. It was a very good, amazing day for me. Now, in the Telegram group of Momentum with Vedantu, whatever questions we discuss in the classroom, that we uploaded in that particular group even before this class starts. So you can actually have a look at those questions if you are a member of this particular Telegram group, okay, and then you can come to this classroom and you can enjoy this amazing session here, right? Okay, one last thing, you all are going to write the exams, right, which means JEE exam. I know the some of the problems which you are facing nowadays, which means you have wanted to go through all the concept of the JEE means topics, right? You have lot much of doubts, you want to get it cleared, right? And you wanted to do lot many questions, but you don't know from where to get the questions and how to find a suitable, or how to make a proper timetable for solving it. Then after studying these much, you wanted to check and analyze how much you have learned, okay, through the mock test, let's say. So the best thing that you can do is come and join the JEE or the NEET crash course for 2021, which is started by Vedantu, right? Because here there is a solution for all the problems. We are going to discuss the concept within this short span of time before the JEE means or the NEET exam comes. Lot many questions, we are going to do it. We will be clearing all the doubts in the classroom itself. Mock test will be there, where we even provide all their timetable will be given to you so that you can make your schedule accordingly and prepare to crack the JEE in an amazing manner, right? So what do you have to do? The link is given in the description below, right? Even in the chat box, I think we have, right? So from that description, okay, go to that link and apply the coupon code of AMECC so that you can avail an extra 20% discount. Instead of paying 10,000, just pay 8,000 and enjoy this amazing crash course for your amazing future. I think your dad and the mom will be so happy to give you 8,000 for your amazing future and career you're gonna make out of it, right? Yes, I'm from Kerala. I'm from Kerala. We have Nidhu to support me. Anyway, What do you all say? Shall we start with our session? Are you all ready for that? Are you all ready for that? With so much of energy, with so much of smiling faces. Yes, tell me, are you all ready for that? Yes? Yes, so even the group is also asking you all, yes, let's start learning, guys. Yes, everyone. Here we go with the very first question. Let's start solving. Find the size of the image formed by a spherical mirror from the following data. It's a mirror, note that, because in the same chapter we are learning about mirror and lenses. Okay. So u is the object distance, it is given as minus, sign is already given, focal length is also given with a negative sign. Let me ask you, for a mirror, if the focal length is negative, can you tell me which mirror it is? Let me see how much you know about this particular chapter. Yes, Nitu, very good. So focal length is negative. Which mirror it is? It is a concave mirror. Okay? Yes. Now, height of the object is 1 centimeter. So by making use of all these things, how can you find out the size of the image or the height of the image? So we know that the magnification formula is equal to negative of V by U. Okay, magnification means height of the image to height of the object, right? So that is negative of V by U. V is the image distance from the mirror and U is the object distance from the mirror. That is equal to, what is magnification formula? Height of the image by height of the object. This equation is more than enough for solving it. So Kaushika is so much active, she is already telling 3 centimeter. Let's see whether the answer is 3 or not, right? So let's start solving. So V is something which you don't know, which means the image distance. You already have an idea, which is minus 20. Height of the image has to be found out. Height of the object is 1 centimeter. So let's find out V, so that from the equation we can find out height of the image. How can we find V? Just use the mirror formula. What is it? Which one is it? What is the mirror formula? 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Mirrors with a plus sign. For lenses it is negative. Okay, so don't make a mistake in all these things. So 1 by V, U is already given with a negative sign, minus 20. So I'm putting negative sign, is equal to minus F is equal to 15. Rearranging, 1 by V is equal to 1 by 20 if it goes to the right. Okay, 1 by 15. How much is this going to be? 1 by V is equal to 15 minus 20 minus 5 by 15 into 20. 5 goes in 15. 3 times 3 into 20, 60. So V is equal to minus 60 centimeters. Okay, good. Now applying the same here, V is equal to this minus minus will go again, 1 minus 60 will come by 20 is equal to height of the image by 1. So what is height of the image? That's equal to 3 centimeters. We already have someone with the answer. Yes, it is our Kaushika. So everyone please be active. You can also answer whenever this class is happening. Right? So yes, let's learn together. If you want to learn together, that bonding, that togetherness, that excitement, energy, everything should be there. So you all have to be with me. Okay, fine. What do you all say? Is it time for the next question? Yes, I suppose. Is it? I'm looking into the chat box continuously waiting for you all to answer me. Thinking that yes, all my students are eagerly here to learn physics together. Okay, so here we have another question right in front of us. Almost the same kind of question, but let's solve it how it is. An object is placed 20 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. The picture will be gray, right? So this is a concave mirror. This is our principal axis. An object is placed at 20 centimeter. The ray will be moving in this direction, but the measurement is done in the opposite direction. So U is equal to minus 20. Yes. Okay. Yes. Very good. And in front of a concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image, which means the magnification is equal to 3. How do you find this? Negative of V by U is equal to 3. Just now we have written, right? Okay. So what is the value for V is equal to? So negative of V divided by U is equal to 20 is equal to 3, or V is equal to how much? 60 centimeter. But you have to know that it is a real image, which means the image is formed somewhere here. So the calculation is done in the opposite direction. So the V is also with a negative sign. U is with negative, V is with negative. Now if you have V and U, what is it stopping you from finding out the focal length? Nothing, right? Because you just have to use the equation for a mirror. What is it? 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. V is equal to minus 1 by 60. U is equal to 1 by 20 with a negative sign is 1 by F, right? So how can you make it as a common denominator? Multiplying it with 3 on the numerator. So this is minus 4 by 60, or F is equal to 60 divided by 4, which is 15 centimeters. Simple. Everyone got it, or what? Oh my god, it became a song. Is it clear? Everyone, with the josh, with the happiness, with the energy, is it a yes? Any doubts you have, let me know. We're going to clear it out before we proceed further. Where are you all? I'm constantly looking into the chat box. I want the answer. Yes. Where is it? Yes, Kaushika is so, like, everyone, you can also be active, be so much active in the chat box, whatever you know. You can answer me, else it is just make the class so much active. Yes, Nitu, we have also, she's also really into the classroom and making it good. So everyone, even if you don't have the answer, just give me a yo, give me a yes, or at least call me sir. Let's keep the chat box active, right? Very good, very good. Very good, very good. Crystal clear, Nitu, amazing. So let's start with another question. Here we have. A ray of light is traveling through a medium, right, of refractive index 1 by root 2 with respect to air. Okay. When it is incident on the surface, making an angle of 45 degree with the surface, which of the following will take place, right? So you have a surface, a line of separation. Here we have air, here we have medium. Air, we take the refractive index to be 1. Here the refractive index of the medium, that is given as 1 by root 2. So let's say that this is the normal. The incident angle is making an angle of 45, angle of incidence. So let's say this is angle of refraction. Let's first find out which law we're going to use. Yes, hi Vijay, hi Agilan, hi Vichi. So we have so many regular students in the classroom here in the chat box. Happy to see every one of you. So yes, how do we do this? Very simple, Snell's law, which is sin I by sin r is equal to sin I by sin r is equal to n2 refractive index of second medium by refractive index of first medium. I is 45. So sin of I 45, that is 1 by root 2 by sin r is equal to n2 is also 1 by root 2 by n1 is 1. Done. Simple. So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancel, sin r goes up. So let me write it here. Sin r is equal to 1, r is equal to 90 degree. Sin 90 is 1. Very simple, isn't it? Yes or no, Santosh? Simple, simple. Yes? I hope so. So I hope you can listen to that prayer from the mosque, right? It's beautiful for me. I hope. I don't know. Okay, I hope it's not disturbing you anyways. Yes, the answer is B. Angle of refraction will be 90 degree. Very good. Let's move on. The thin lens has a focal length of 25 centimeter with a negative. So tell me, if it is a negative 25 centimeter, right? Hi Prasanna. What is the kind of lens? Now we have switched to lens, now we are not dealing with mirrors anymore. It's time for lens. So tell me, what kind of a lens if you are having the focal length as negative? Focal length negative, what kind of a lens? Waiting for your answers. Yes, Vijay, don't worry, I'm gonna do it. Yes, 6 p.m. I'm gonna do it. I'm talking with the channel manager. Let's start, right? Okay, now tell me this. If it is negative, what is the kind of a lens we are having? It is simply a concave lens, right? If it is a concave lens, the focal length comes with a negative sign. Yes, Vijay, I'm there with you. I'm gonna do it. Don't worry at all. Yes, okay. Now tell me this. Yes, concave lenses are always a diverging lens. Okay, that part is done. Now, how to find the power? Power is equal to 1 by focal length in meters. 1 by, what is the focal length in meters? 0.25, because 25 centimeter or 0.25 with a negative sign. So negative of how much? 4, and the unit is diopter. So minus 4 diopter in diverging. That is the answer for this. Yes. Yes, Vijay. Yes, Vijay. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. You don't have to keep your hands, right? Because the teachers are always there to listen to your students. I'm gonna listen to you. Don't worry. Fine. Give me last some more days. Yes, I'm gonna do it. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm gonna do it. Everyone is there. So yes, I want the classroom to be this active. Can you all promise me once we start the theory also it is going to be this active? Is it going to be this active? So let me start talking. Yes, and let's get it done. Answer is option C, Nitu, right? Which means Nitu, right? Yes. So it is minus 4 diopter. It is diverging. 1 by 0.25 is 4, not 2. Okay, good. Fine. So yes, moving on. So now be with me. Okay. So show me how much energetic you're gonna be once we start the new sessions. So be here and make the session so awesome and so much great. Let me see how much energy you all have now. So here we go. A convex lens of focal length 10 centimeters. So convex lens focal length is always positive, right? Okay. Now is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from the wall. So here we have a lens. Here we have a wall. This distance is equal to 12 centimeter. Focal length is equal to 10. How far from the lens should an object be placed, right? It's at what distance the object has to be placed so as to form an real image on the wall. Okay, so what is the distance at which the object has to be placed, right? So that the image is going to be falling on the wall. So if the image has to fall on this wall, you can easily get the image distance, which is a distance from the lens. How much it is? V is equal to plus 12 centimeter because you are traveling towards right in the direction of the light rays. Yes, we got it. Right? Okay. So V is equal to 12 centimeters. It's plus again because we are traveling towards right, like I told you. Now here we have to use the lens equation, that is 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. If it was a mirror, it was plus, but once we come to lenses, it is negative. Okay, so no need of specifying. You all have learned the formulas, right? Yes. So moving on, what all things are given? 1 by 12, the V value is given plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by 10. So taking U to the right, 1 by 12 minus 1 by 10. Okay, so start doing the mathematics. 10 minus 12 minus 2 by 120 is equal to 1 by U, or U is going to be 60 with a negative sign. So the magnitude at which the object has to be placed from the convex lens is 60 centimeter. Yes, very simple. Correct? Wow, very good. Who all gave me the answer? Kaushika, you got it? How many of you are doing from your end, which means with a pen and a book? How many of you are trying all by yourself? How many of you are trying all by yourself? Okay, so I'm going to think that most of you are doing your best for solving the questions by yourself. So let us move to the next question. Understand the concept in deep. This is a question from the topic of total internal reflection. Right? Here we go. Yes, Nitu. Yes, correct. Very good. Keep it up. A light is incident normally on face AB. Right? If the angle of incidence is 90, the angle of refraction will also be 90, which means without any deviation, this light ray will be passing through the first surface AB and it will be reaching at the surface AC. Okay. A liquid of refractive index mu is placed on face AC. Here we have a liquid of refractive index mu. The prism is made of glass of refractive index. This is having a refractive index of 3 by 2. The limit of mu for which the total internal reflection happens. Okay, what should be the minimum value of mu, or what all the value can mu take so that total internal reflection can happen to this particular light rays? You all know what a total internal reflection is, right? So this light ray, without going into the liquid, if it come back to the same medium, which is our glass prism here, yes, we can say that it is undergoing the total internal reflection, right? So what is the minimum value of mu for which the total internal reflection should be happening? So let us first discuss that, right? Okay. Now, you know that this is angle of incidence, right? This is angle of incidence. Let us use some other color. Give me a minute. Okay, blue color. So this is angle of incidence. Let's find that out. This is 90, this is 60, this is 30, this is 90 degree. So how much is this angle of incidence will be? 60. I said fast, but I hope everyone got it. Right? Yeah, yes, Kaushika, the previous answer was 60. Very good, Nitu. So I is equal to 60, right? So the minimum condition for the light ray, instead of going into the second medium and coming to it is, right? So the minimum value of mu should be in such a way that the refracted angle should be passing, okay, a bit more greater than the line of separation. This is the line of separation. If it wants to come back, it should be a bit more than the line of AC, which means the refracted light ray should be like this. Which means what should be the angle? The angle should be greater than 90 degree. So in the limiting condition, let us say that the angle of refraction is almost 90 degree. We are considering what? We are considering the limiting conditions, right? Okay. Now, if we consider this as a limiting condition, let us apply the Snell's law. Sine of I divided by sine of R is equal to N2 by N1. This is the first medium. This is the second medium. Starts from here, ends here, right? What is sine I? Sine of 60, that is root 3 by 2, by sine R is equal to sine of 90 degree. Refractive index of second medium is mu. Refractive index of first medium is equal to 3 by 2, so 2 goes up. Okay, so this is what is it? Sine 90 is 1. So mu will be equal to, rearranging, mu will be equal to 3 root 3 by 4. This should be the minimum value of mu, right? This is the limiting value of mu. Now the question is, mu should be greater than or lesser than to this. Now you know that you have to start from here. If it wants to be reflecting backward, this value of I, okay, this value of I should be greater than the critical angle. Critical angle means the angle with which it will be undergoing or grazing through the line of separation. So this I should be greater than, so here we have to put the greater than sign here, right? Which means that mu is on the less than side. So rearranging, mu should be less than 3 root 3 by 4. So we have the option B as our correct answer. Is it clear to everyone? Where are you all? Where is the energy? Everyone started sleeping. Everyone is like, oh my god, we don't want to listen to this. Here we are discussing amazing problems from the topic of ray optics. We all want to learn it together, right? Yes or no? Yes, isn't it? Yes. So keep up the energy, make the chat box active. Let me also know that yes, you all are there trying really hard to learn the topic. Okay, moving on. Now, the angle of the prism. Let's do another question. I hope everyone is with me. Yes, the angle of the prism is equal to the angle of minimum deviation. So here we have a prism. Let's say that a light ray is coming. This is angle of a prism. The light ray, instead of going straight like this, it will be undergoing a deviation. Let's say this is D. It is being told that according to this equation, A is equal to D, and you are supposed to find the value of A. The refractive index of the material N is given as 1.5. Okay. Which formula that you have to use in order to get the answer? It's very simple. You have to know that N is equal to sine of A plus D by 2, the whole divided by sine A by 2. In the prism part, we all have learned this. I hope you remember. So let us substitute the values that is given. N is equal to 1.5 or 3 by 2. A and D are equal, right? So let me put D as A. A plus A is 2A by 2, that is A. So sine A divided by sine A by 2. Okay. So now what we're going to do is, you know that sine 2 theta is equal to sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta, right? Identity from trigonometry. Similarly, sine of 2 times a by 2. What is 2 times a by 2? Sine of a. Sine of a. How will you write it? 2 sine theta is a by 2 into cos a by 2. Yes, we're going to state or do the same here. Sine a is equal to 2 sine a by 2. Then what we have left? Yes, it is cos a by 2. Is it clear till this part? Everyone? Yes, I suppose. The whole divided by sine of a by 2. As you can see, sine cancels. What is remaining? 3 by 2 is equal to, everyone along with me? Yes? 3 by 2 is equal to 2 cos a by 2. As you can see, this 2 comes downwards, that is 3 by 4. So cos a by 2 is equal to 3 by 4 or 0.75. A by 2 is equal to cos inverse of 0.75. It is given that cos inverse of 75 is equal to 41 degrees. So A is equal to 2 times 41 or 82 degrees. Understood this? Yes, everyone, are you all enjoying, or have you all enjoyed all the questions that we have discussed till now? Let me know. Yes, with a smiling face, can you all tell me that yes, we have understood what all things you have discussed, sir? Are you going to tell me that? Because I'm going to be the happiest person once I get to know that the students have understood all the topics what we have discussed. The chat box is all yours, right? Okay, so fill those chat box with amazing comments. Waiting for it. Yes, I suppose. Yes, so we got it as 82. Now, what I want every one of you to do it. For all these things, okay, whatever we do or the Garang sir do in our channel, okay, for everything you can just repay back, or you can just compliment us by doing very small things. Okay, so Tejas is doing the dab here. Very good, Tejas. What you can do, Tejas, what all things you can do here, okay, just for appreciating all the teachers that we work here, just move your cursor and please click all these 3 buttons, right? If you have liked the session, you all have said me, yes, you all liked it. So please click on the like button and let us also know that it was an amazing. Okay, and if you think that your friends are also going to get benefited from the video or all the classes and all the lectures that we do it here in the class, please share it with your friends. Okay, ask your friend also to come and be joining in the live classes. And one last thing, I know that you really don't want to miss any of the classes that is happening in Momentum with Vedantu, right? So what you can do now, please, you can do this, okay? It is for your own benefit and it is going to help us also. It is going to motivate us also, all the teachers. Just keep or move your cursor and yes, press on that subscribe button. Yes, so yes, Kaushika, very good. Yes, we got it as 82. Very good. 41 into 2 is 82. Yes, you did it. I hope everyone got it right. Yes, so thank you so much, everyone. Till we meet next time, I must say bye bye to every one of you. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, try to learn a lot more of things because exams are very close to us. So bye bye and take care.